So where did the Romans come from? You're probably thinking, Italy, of course. Well, yes, the Roman army was made up of soldiers from Italy, but also soldiers from many other countries across the Roman Empire. Here in Caerleon, we know that families came from Germany, France, and Africa. We know this because of the tombstones that you can see here in the museum. This one was set up by Julia of the Valens family in memory of her father, and they were a family from Belgium. 2,000 years ago, there were 6,000 soldiers here in the Legion at Caerleon. The leader of all these soldiers is called a legate, and it may surprise you to know that an African Roman was once legate here in Caerleon. He and his army ruled over the land that we call Wales today. It was the most western part of the Roman Empire, a land that the Romans called Britannia. His name was Titus Flavius Postumius Varus, or Titus for short. We don't know if his skin colour was black, brown or white, but Titus was certainly of African descent. He ruled the legion between 240 and 250 of the Common Era, and after he left Caerleon, he went on to have a very important role in ancient Rome.